Hey y'all, welcome back to If It Ain't Cheap, I'm Not Buying It. So I wanted to share another organizing product that I found on Amazon. And before I got started, I said, well, let me turn the camera on so I can show you guys what I got to try to get the refrigerator organized and get rid of unnecessary stuff that we don't use all the time in the fridge. So I found this 5-piece clear container set, and I bought 2 packs for my refrigerator. And let me get one open so I can show you in detail what you get. All right, so it says here a set of 5 food storages: meat, egg, fish, 2 sides. And I will put the link down in my description box if you are interested in purchasing these. Keep in mind, none of my videos were sponsored. This video is not sponsored. I just like to come on and share some of the deals and tips that I find at a reasonable price and pass it on to you guys. So I thought this was a really good deal. I think I only paid $10 per set, so like $20 for 2 sets. So these are the long ones. Now in the picture, I'm going to put some pictures up from the display that I saw on Amazon. These are like for your fruits, and it has the tray at the bottom where the water, when you put your strawberries and grapes and all that, it won't be laying in water. And then you have, looks like, you get 3 of these large ones. Now, I like that the large ones, if you're unthawing meat, steak, maybe marinating chicken or whatever, and then 1 for my lunch meat. So I'm going to get my wristband off. I'm going to get these washed out, and then I'll be right back to show you how I am going to get these placed in the refrigerator. I bought these containers from the Dollar Tree, and they are pretty good. They don't hold a lot. So I have some pineapple that are in this container, and it's just sitting in the juice. So I'm just gonna lay these in here. And I've read a lot of the reviews, and they said they keep your fruit and stuff fresh for a while, so you're not wasting food. And that just looks like a better presentation than in an old Red Lobster container. So I am so glad that I got these. All right, now I have 3 of the medium to large, I guess. Okay, so I'm gonna get this refrigerator. It's basically already, I try to do all my cleaning on Sundays. It's just a habit that I've always done. I don't have that much to do. And I'll get my husband's sugary monsters out the way. We'll just put his monsters up there. For right now, I'm making potato salad for dinner, so I got this in here. All right, so I can finally get rid of these dollar store basket. Okay, so I am going to get these containers put in the fridge. Let's see how they are going to look. All right, so I can see through the containers now, which is a nice thing. I normally had put my lunch meat down in these bins, but I'm just going to use these now for probably vegetables and stuff. Now that I have these containers, I can actually see where my stuff is at. All right, so that'll be for my fruit. That'll be for my lunch meat. All right, so I got everything organized, much as what it's going to be right now. I just have all my bread and stuff down here, rolls, and I have another acrylic tray that I bought a while. I have another acrylic tray that I just bought when I was up in New Jersey, and then I just have all my cheeses, scrapple, and the hot dogs, and oh, it looks like my husband's home. He's got his bear in there. And here are the trays again. You can see right through them. That's the regular bacon, turkey bacon. And then that was the lunch meat tray. And then the fruit looks very nice compared to what I was using before. So I am slowly but surely getting it together. I do still have this pack right here. I eat out basically every other day, so I don't keep a lot of stuff in the refrigerator like I used to. It only really gets stocked when the kids get here. So I will probably be doing a part 2 to this once I do a full grocery shopping, and then we'll use the rest of these containers and it'll be stocked. But once again, you know, you can use these for food storage. You know, if you overcook food, I can use these like almost like Tupperware, and leftover food, which is barely, none really is left over between my son and my husband. Once they eat, everything is done. So I hope you enjoyed this food organizing video. If so, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to give me a lovely leave a lovely comment, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And I will see y'all in another video. And as always, child, if it ain't cheap, I ain't buying it. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye-bye.